My name is Dhanyal Idrees, currently on the Advanced Technician course. At the moment I'm at JCB Power Systems. Well, when I was a sixth form I was studying business, ICT and engineering. But the reason I chose JCB was because of the opportunity you get being an apprentice. The opportunity of being able to learn at different departments compared to going to uni. Here you get the theory side and you can then apply it to practical solutions by coming into the factory. Within the JCB Academy it consists of a range of different units, which is fantastic. An example is welding, milling, bench fitting, sheet metal, electronics. You do a range of different units which I've never done before I came to JCB. Being a technician, we are going around a rotation. So we're currently doing man-eng, quality, machining, R&D and assembly. What I'd personally like to go into is quality. Quality is something that I quite enjoy. And the rotation itself of being a technician and the program, the apprenticeship program, has allowed me to be aware that I enjoy quality. What makes me proud to work for JCB is the size of the company. As I'm aware of, at the current moment in time we have 14,000 employees globally. We're currently based in the United Kingdom, India, China, America, Brazil. And what JCB do is help produce homes for the people and create a lot of jobs.